Today I'm going to review the Mega Moto 212. I am not sponsored by the manufacturer at all. This is my honest review. I think that this is the best off-roading mini bike you can get. The MB200 is pretty similar, and that comes with a rear swing arm kit, but you can get that additionally for the Mega Moto 212. But the Mega Moto 212 has better brakes than any other mini bike. It has a front and rear hydraulic disc brake. Most mini bikes come with a 35 chain, but the Mega Moto 212 comes with the beefy number 40 chain. I just wanted to mention that if you want access to exclusive content, check out my Patreon account. I'll leave a link in the description below. I make posts about some of the videos and projects that I showcase on the channel with extra details that you don't find on YouTube at all. So make sure to check it out. Alright, back to the video. And its transmission is a torque converter. If you want to hit a new top speed on pavement, this is not the mini bike for you. But since I like to off-road, the torque converter is amazing. You get just massive amounts of torque, and it actually changes your gear ratio slightly while you're revving your engine. Like I said, you can get a rear swing arm kit for rear suspension, but I don't think you need it. The tires are big and beefy, and they're only rated for 10 PSI, so they're nice and squishy, and it already has front suspension stock, so it's very comfortable to ride. One thing to note is that I did have to grind down the frame just a little bit to be able to get the CVT pulley on. I watched some other people assemble these in videos, and I never saw anyone else do it, so I guess I just had a manufacturing defect, but I just thought I should say that. It does come with a headlight and a little wiring harness, but I never ride it at night anyway, so I just took it off. But it comes with a kill switch on the handlebar, so you can just wire that up. It's pretty simple. I did lower the stock gearing slightly, but that's just personal preference. The kit that I got was the Mega Moto 212 roller frame, and I got that because I already had a Predator 212 laying around, but I do not recommend getting that kit. Get the one that comes with an engine. For one, it comes with a Tilliton 212, which is better than the Predator 212 that I have on it. But not only that, it's a lot more assembled than the roller frame is, and packaged better. I regret buying the one with the roller frame. It came in a lot more pieces. But all in all, I love this kit, and I'm so glad I bought it. The brakes are crazy strong, and the frame is nice and beefy. And with the stock Predator 212 non-Hemi, it'll pull me right up a hill, and I'm 170 pounds. If you like mini bikes, make sure to hit that subscribe button.